Hey everybody, it's Square here from Modern Gypsies. We've done a one shot before where we thought it was going to be a good connection just as blabbing to the camera. This time we thought we'd try Musket Shot Springs. This is just the scenic overview, and it's mostly us just kind of farting around and being ourselves, and we think it'd be a better connection and frankly much more entertaining for you guys. If you have any ideas on where you'd like to see us explore, we're more than happy to do one of these for you if we happen to stop there. Feel free to let us know anything about, if you like these, if you want to see more. We have got a lot more ideas coming, so stay tuned for those, and yeah, just enjoy this quick little blurb. If you've never been there, it's a pretty cool spot. Now you don't even have to travel. I'll have a link to the map coordinates in the description if you're interested in visiting. Yeah, enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Drops off. Parkour. Parkour. There's a lot of little holes. You heard what I said. Parkour. Yeah. It's pretty different down here. So dainty, so careful. That's really interesting. There's a little game trail. There's people prints too. Yeah. I'm looking to get something having to jump out at me. Paranoid at every single one of these. There's a lot of stuff up here. I don't know what's living in here, but the hills are alive, and it's not with the sound of fucking music. All right, I'm gonna do this one-handed or no-handed. I made it. Now go back up. All Alright. You want to explore some more? I gotta catch my breath. Didn't have to be a long trip, but it was fun.
Yeah.
And this will be probably on YouTube in its entirety unedited. Like and subscribe.